Yeah, he likes it thick and long. What bitches?
Freaking the chick that like to go look at the apartment. I told her I was like, I'm not too sure if I want to move in or not.
Oh, they're pushing
like, oh,
you.
Yeah, like, oh, put in an application. And I was like, all right, let me see. And it's $120 to put in an application. I'm like, fuck out of here.
Yeah.
Especially if I don't know if I want to move in with you. Shit. People are crazy.
All right, so the whole departments are here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Logistics.
We're doing the company meeting.
company dinner.
Company dinner. And all of us are here.
Which one's the difference?
The same.
That's not the same. I got octopus.
They're the same. Well, you don't want the octopus?
You said that quick, like, you don't want the octopus?
Yeah.
You want the octopus?
I mean, it doesn't matter. Right, so Saturday morning, leaving the house again, a little early. I mean, not that early compared to last week. Yeah, my kid's been sick for past few days, and they just been bothering me every night and then, and last night as well. So, I mean, it was a little better, but yeah, I just couldn't get a good sleep, and then I had to. One of them actually threw up, so I had to do some laundries and everything this morning. So it got me a little. I don't know. I was hesitant going to work out and stuff, but yeah, Aaron like messaged me. He's like, "Yeah, I'm up early. Let's just meet up." So yeah, I'm probably just gonna do simple workout. I was gonna save it till Monday, but I guess I was just gonna do it. So something very simple, and we just gotta get to the shop by 9. So it gives us like an hour or a little more for the workout, and yeah, that's probably enough for Saturdays, especially. I get really tired because obviously I work out 5 days straight, and then Saturdays. Last week I felt very, very tiring doing the dyno and stuff, and I was strapping the front wheel drive. You know, I strap extra just in case for more stabilization. So, but anyhow. Yeah, just gotta go work out in, and first thing at 9 we're gonna have a custom tune. We're gonna work on the car, work on Sandy on the side, and then at noon we have our friend Chase. He's got a new 2.0. He used to have the 3.8, traded in, and we're gonna do the exhaust installation on his car.
So, how you feel about the tune?
I like it. It's real nice.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's got a lot more power, right, when you hit the nose before when it was stock.
You feel better at throttle response and everything?
Yeah, a lot better throttle response. I like it. I'm coming back.
Do you think you could take on the Ford?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can definitely get me now.
For sure.
Yeah, really? Yeah. Yeah, I want to know. Like, let me know. Like, when you get a chance to.
Yeah.
Like on the way back.
Within a few hours.
Yeah. Just like message you because I'm curious too. I'd be like, I want to find out.
Yeah.
So was it like just toe to toe, or you were pulling on them?
We didn't race. Before
No,
it was
before.
pretty much toe to toe.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
So that's gonna be interesting. Titanium exhaust install.
You gotta be a little louder.
Tomei Titanium exhaust install. First thing you want to do is make sure that you have everything before you start the job.
Exactly. And Tomei's been really great with providing all this necessary parts in box. But then the box itself just weighs like nothing, so just make sure you have something in there.
Make sure you have something in there.
Yeah, because it's like so light. And like literally you could just lift it up like nothing. The whole thing together, I was able to do some delt work. And I don't feel nothing. And weld. It's all robot.
It is?
Yeah, it's computerized. Everything. They can't really weld like this.
Oh, I thought they did.
Yeah, this is the old robot. So they give you 3 sections. And I mean, I did the review with my exhaust. So you got the hanger, the whole package pretty much, like nicely packed. Little nice emblem here. Silencer.
Actually, it's hard seeing good quality stuff come out. Like,
And then,
like compared to like other.
yeah, the price wise, you can't beat this. And guess who else has this thing? SF4. Sandy.
I want to get it from me. Go spend 240.
Yeah. I think they're even cheaper too.
I just want to get this piece. This alarm.
Yeah, just show me how light it is. I mean, keep it in mind. This person, yeah, this guy's weak too. Okay. Yeah. Just keep it in mind. He's weak, so he's able to lift this thing. Yeah. It's so light. Everything's so light.
Well, I mean, everything looks here, so we can start the job.
Yep. Good stuff,
So
man.
everything's made with great quality.
Yeah, who provides all these stuff, man? They go all out. I mean, you can't beat the price again and quality. Everything they provide overall. That's why we choose the best.
Here.
The best right here. Best.
Because we the best. Another one. Another one.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Alrighty, so the exhaust is done. pull the cars in. It's pretty freezing out there. And finally, we're gonna bleed the brakes again. We're gonna try it again. And yeah, Aaron did. He stayed longer yesterday and made his custom lines. So we're hoping there's no leak. What do you think?
What do you stink?
What do you think? I mean, it meant both. You stink, and what do you think? All right. So those who don't know how to bleed the brakes, you do it from the furthest caliper, which is from the master cylinder, which is the passenger side rear brake, the caliper, and basically you just pump the line. Have somebody to just hold the brake all the way till you don't see the bubble out from the thing. So you constantly have to open the valve. Huh? Yeah, it's up. Yep. See, when I'm downing it, obviously it's gonna push the brake fluid out, and meanwhile you're gonna see if there's a bubble coming out or not.
Pump it.
And basically pumping it.
Pump it so hard.
I'm not pumping it so hard.
Hold it.
So repeat this process till you don't see the bubble. So over time, this becomes some type of leg workout. Just pumping it and holding it. So we're almost. So yeah, it's done. İştin. So Aaron just spraying some brake cleaner so it cleans off all the brake fluid. Like I said, it could melt the paint. So and everything looks brand new. And matter of fact, some are actually brand new. The hubs and stuff like that. Unfortunately, we can't start Sandy. It's where the battery's dead, and we still have to hook up some lines. You fat ass. Let's go.